Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more eye-opening content. Today, I've got something truly shocking for you. We're diving into some of the most unbelievable maintenance fails that will make you think twice before skipping those routine checks. First up, let's talk about the infamous ceiling collapse catastrophe. A facility manager decided to save a few bucks by ignoring a minor ceiling leak. Weeks turned into months, and one day, boom! The entire ceiling came crashing down during working hours, injuring 3 employees. Moral of the story? Never ignore a leak, no matter how small it seems. Next, we have the elevator from hell incident. Imagine stepping into an elevator and suddenly it goes into free fall. A poorly maintained braking system led to this nightmare scenario in a corporate building. Luckily, the emergency brakes kicked in just in time, but imagine the terror those people felt. Regular maintenance checks could have easily prevented this life-threatening situation. Now let's talk about the boiler room blowout. Boilers need regular inspections and maintenance. One facility ignored this for years, thinking, what's the worst that could happen? Well, the boiler exploded, causing extensive damage and an expensive repair bill. Not to mention, it put employees' lives at great risk. Boilers may seem harmless, but they're ticking time bombs without proper care. Ever heard of the HVAC horror? An HVAC system that hadn't been cleaned in years became a breeding ground for mold and bacteria. This resulted in poor air quality that made several employees sick. Some even ended up in the hospital due to severe respiratory issues. Regular cleaning and maintenance of HVAC systems are crucial for a healthy work environment. Finally, let's not forget the electrical fire fiasco. Outdated wiring and overloaded circuits were a disaster waiting to happen in one office building. One spark, and the entire place was up in flames. It took firefighters hours to control the blaze, and the building was deemed a total loss. Electrical systems need regular checks to prevent such catastrophic outcomes. So, what's the takeaway here? Regular maintenance is not just about keeping things running smoothly. It's about ensuring safety, avoiding costly repairs, and most importantly, protecting lives. If you found these stories as shocking as I did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Ready to revolutionize your maintenance game? Visit our website at www.micromain.com to explore Micromain solutions. Don't miss out, stay safe, and see you next time.